In this Doodle Stanza review, I'm going to be showing you how you can easily create doodle-styled ads, videos, posts, and presentations with done-for-you doodles that you can use in your marketing. And make sure you stay until the end of this review, as I'm also going to show you all the different OTOs and upgrades so you know exactly what you're getting into if you decide to purchase. If you're new to my channel, my name is Mike Thomas. I'm a 7-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best deals on upcoming software and courses. If at any point during this review you want to check out Doodle Stanza, go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out with my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. The last thing before we jump in here, I just want to show you my bonus page. I've got a ton of extra bonuses that you're going to be getting if you purchase this through my link. All these bonuses will be waiting for you right inside of JVZoo after you purchase through my link. Let's take a look at the sales page here together. It says easily create doodle-styled ads, videos, posts, and presentations that attract, engage, and convert 10 times faster without hiring expensive artists and wasting hours of production time here. So essentially what this is it's a collection of 32 doodle sets that you can, that actually includes a total of 2,200 professionally hand-drawn characters, props, elements, and backgrounds that you can use for your marketing. You can get both black and white and full color with these different art styles here and create these different doodle style elements for your marketing here. You probably have seen these on different videos and in different marketing before. They get people's attention here. So you have different character sets, prop sets here. You can see black and white and color, perfect for whiteboard videos. So anyone that are like, if you're using software like Doodly, Create Studio, Explaindio, Doodle Maker, Video Scribe, any of these softwares that you probably have already purchased, like most of you had at least one of these ones out there, you can use it with those softwares. You can change the color with it, infinite scaling. You get the commercial license, so you can provide this as a service. So if you're making sales videos for people, you can use these in your sales videos, and you get all these different things inside of your bundle here. Now, here's more characters that you get: doodle sets and stickmen, online entrepreneurs, videographers here. Look, doodle set fitness trainers, accountants, caterers, chiropractors, doctors, auto mechanic. I mean, it just goes on and on with all the different stuff you get. And of course, you can check this out when you check out the sales page. You get like the different backgrounds and everything, all the different things that you can use inside of your marketing. Now, there's two different licenses on the front end. One's a personal, one's a commercial. It's just a little bit more for the commercial license, and you get a bunch of bonuses here as well. What I'm going to do now is play you a quick video explaining this a little bit more. Then I'll be back to show you the backend area and the OTO.
The average human attention span is now 8 seconds, less than that of a goldfish with 9. Isn't that crazy? Marketing in the 21st century has changed beyond recognition. People are bombarded with ads literally in every waking hour. If you like to win in the battle for attention and discover how you can create content that stops the scroll and keeps your distracted audience engaged from start to finish, regardless if it's for your ads, posts, or presentations, then you're at the right place. I am Elle Wong, and as an entrepreneur who has launched multiple successful offers online, I'll be sharing with you this one technique that you can use to grab and maintain the attention of your audience to get more clicks and conversions. Right now, you're probably stressed out with more and more competition pivoting into the digital space. Maybe you feel like you spent a lot of time creating this amazing piece of content only to get disappointed with little results. By the end of this video, you will discover how you can finally stand out, increase engagement, and as a result, get more leads and sales on any platform. You see, when it comes to marketing in the 21st century, attention is the most valuable commodity in the world. Consider this for a moment. How many times have you scrolled past an ad or gotten sidetracked in the middle of a task? Probably one too many, right? So, what does this mean? It means to combat this, you need to apply this one simple technique to gain and regain your audience focus so that you can grab their attention away from what they're doing and, more importantly, retain their interest with you till the end. To accomplish this, you can integrate what we call pattern interrupts throughout your entire presentation, which is any visual change that hooks, sparks, and refocuses your viewers' attention. While there are many ways to do this, one of them which has been proven to attract, engage, and convert is the use of doodle visuals. Because the nature of doodles are expressive and full of emotions, they are entertaining and compelling to consume. But the problem is, creating doodles is extremely difficult and requires great talent to do so. It's also really costly to hire professional artists to get them drawn. Not to mention the time-stealing hassles you have to go through just briefing and reviewing the details of their artwork. It can be totally overwhelming. If right now you want to create powerful doodle content that helps you to generate new leads, get more clients, make more profits, and win in your marketplace quickly and easily, I have great news. Welcome to Doodle Stanza. Doodle Stanza comes with a massive library of over 32 doodle sets and 2,700 professionally hand-drawn characters, props, elements, and backgrounds, all of which you can preview in detail below. Whether you need to create scroll-stopping content in the health, wealth, or relationship market, this extensive bundle gives you the flexibility to express yourself in just about every way to get your audience excited and deeply connected to your offer. Each hand-drawn item comes in two art styles, black and white and full color, so that you can set the perfect theme in all your projects. Transparent PNG and SVG formats are included, which are 100% compatible with any platform or software of your choice, so that you can use them with absolute confidence. And because these doodles are vector-based, you can scale your doodles infinitely without losing quality and change color with total ease for personalization. With Doodle Stanza, there are so many promotional usage for maximum engagement. Doodles can be used in your sales videos, ad traffic campaigns, social media posts, print projects, PowerPoint or keynote presentations, educational video trainings, email marketing, brand avatars, and so much more. There are endless possibilities which are entirely up to your creativity. Now take a look at some of these case studies. These high-performing posts do an incredible job with engagement. And one thing in common is the use of doodles to stop the scroll and captivate the audience with storytelling. So start using doodles in your marketing and watch your results transform. All the hard work has been done for you. Order now and log into your members area to get instant access to all the doodles you need to craft powerful and high converting content. You'll want to act now because with Doodle Stanza, you'll have the unfair advantage to stand out in the crowd. You get all the doodle assets and the ability to fire up unlimited projects for just one amazingly low price. And because everything is backed by our total satisfaction money-back guarantee, it means there's no better time like the present to join us. This special price you're seeing today will be available for a limited time only. Because you're here first, you get the best deal, the best value, and you get an amazing head start. Hit the order button now, and soon you'll be seeing the results you deserve by using doodles in your business. Don't get left behind, and I'll see you on the inside.
Okay, so here's the backend area that you'll have access to after you purchase. You'll be able to go in here and download all your different assets to be able to use inside of your different softwares. Now, looks like there's two upgrades that you're going to be offered. The first one here says unlock 52 more doodle sets plus a mega bonus package here. So you get more sets with this. You can really add a ton more into this. All these extra ones here onto your purchase. And looks like that's a one-time of 67. And the next one here is how would you like instant access to Audio Stanza libraries? You get all 240 plus premium music tracks to use in your marketing as well. Now it looks like this one is 37 for this, but of course these are optional. Pick and choose the ones that you want and forget the ones that you don't. Okay, so what do I like about Doodle Stanza and what don't I like about it? If I say something that I don't like about it, it's not a marketing software. So if you're expecting that you're going to be getting a software to play around with, that's not what this is. These are assets to use in your other softwares. So just be aware of that before you make your purchase. What do I like about that? That being said, even with the fact that this isn't a software, if you're already familiar with another software, you don't have to learn anything new. You can already use this in software that you already own, add these in and use these to make even better videos and marketing material. Thank you so much for checking out my review today. If you want to take a look at Doodle Stanza, go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again in my next review video.